How to resolve Quicken error OL-1-b. 3 quick solutions. Solution 1. Make sure that Quicken is running in the latest release. Step 1. Open Quicken and navigate to the Help tab at the top of the screen. Step 2. Then select Check for updates. Step 3. If an update is available, install it. If your Quicken is already running in the latest release, proceed with the following method. Solution 2. Deactivate and reactive the account. Step 1. Launch Quicken and go to Tools. Step 2. Now, select Account List and click on Edit for the account that has the error code. Step 3. Next, select Online Services on the Account Details page. Step 4. Click Deactivate and click OK to confirm. Step 5. Click on OK and then Done once the deactivation is complete. Step 6. Now you need to reactivate the account. To do this, open Quicken. Step 7. Click on Tools and then select Account List. Step 8. Click on Edit on the account you have deactivated. Step 9. Go to Online Services on the Account Detail page and click on Setup Now. Step 10. Put in your financial institution credentials, user ID/password. Step 11. Check on Save this password and click on Connect. Step 12. Then you will be required to link your existing account. Step 13. Once done, click on Next and then Finish. Step 14. Now, check and see if the issue still persists. Solution 3. Install Mondo patch. Step 1. Before you begin, open Quicken, go to Help and select About Quicken. Step 2. Check your release version and see if it requires an update. Step 3. Now, download the latest Mondo patch update from. Step 4. The downloaded file will be in the bottom left corner of your browser. Step 5. Click Open File when the download is complete. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the update. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902998 or +44 800 0548150.